Hello guys, we all loved Royal Kludge keyboards, especially we love them when they releasing something new. And exactly today I have something really new from Royal Kludge keyboards, and this is R75Pro. They released this keyboard just recently, maybe 1 week ago or so, and they kindly sent me for testing and review, and I really appreciate them. And let's open the box, let's check what is inside, let's do the overall overview of the keyboard, and then let's put it on testing. Let's go! So, first of all, what we have as a kit for this keyboard, right? You have a pretty nice user manual, standard covering for the keyboard from Royal Kludge, right? Plastic and plastic bag. We have a standard USB cable. We have 4 additional switches and we have 1 additional keycap. And we have a tool, keycap puller and key switch puller, right? And the main guest of the show is R75Pro. Okay, let's go quickly and check what we have in general, on the surface of this keyboard from the left, right, top and bottom side. From the top side, we can see this, very known 3-color scheme of the keycaps, right? You have a blue, light blue and beige, right? From the right side you have this indicators of caps lock and charging stuff. On the back side you have 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, so we can connect over wireless. We have a switch between 3 different modes: wireless, cable and Bluetooth, and we have USB-C port. On the bottom side everything super standard, just 2 type adjustable fits. On this side we have this shield with RK Royal Kludge lab, and this is a standard 75% keyboard. So let's go and check what we have as a keycaps and switches. Okay, from keycap point of view we have double shot PBT, pretty high quality, pretty thick keycaps, right? They are not shine through, but they are on the high end, right? Under them, let's quickly check what we have as a switches. So based on what I'm feeling, this is a linear one, but let's check, let's open them and let's check what we have inside. So what is important, they are pre-looped, right? And they're linear. As I mentioned, they're linear. Okay, linear switches is better for gaming if you're looking for something fast. And also I can say that this is a 5-pin mechanical switch, and obviously PCB supports also 5 or 3-pin switches, so you can change if you wish to any other standard mechanical switches. Under the switch I can see that we have a switch pad, which is super good for sound, and you will hear the sound in a couple of minutes. Also, I can see that this is a flex cut switch plate, right? And from the how flexible this keyboard is, yeah, it's pretty flexible. It's like obviously more on a more sturdy side, but this is gasket mount and structure, so this is pretty high advanced keyboard. And with this from medium to low flexibility, you can feel this flex cut, and gasket mounted structure, but from other side it's not going too deep, so it's okay. Also we have this small nuances like a gap fill with this poron or I don't know what exactly this material is, but this is again good for removing any wobbling or rattling, right? And we have south facing RGB, right? So if you are going to change these keycaps for something else, for example for shine through, just make sure that it makes sense, because usually south facing RGB is not made for shine through the keycaps, because for this you need north facing RGB. One interesting surprise, and I already did review on similar feature what I saw first time that time, but today I want to show you again this feature. So basically we have a knob, right? And this knob is made for volume up, volume down, mute, unmute, and it works with Win or Mac operation systems. But also you can remove this knob, you can eject this or insert back, and I can use keycap, right? And I have it, so theoretically I can do like this. I can insert this switch and I can insert this keycap, right? And in this case you will have additional key on your keyboard instead of knob, right? Or I can put back the knob itself. But interesting to know, maybe something else can be applied to this keyboard as a hot-swappable module. It would be the really new word in the world of mechanical keyboard, right? From RGB point of view, we have pretty similar to everything else. We can increase or decrease RGB itself. We can change the pattern, we can change the color. RGB in general pretty brightful, nothing crazy, but take into account that this is a south facing RGB and not shine through keycaps. It just need to bring some background under the keycaps and that's all. And we have 4000 mAh battery, which is a little bit more than average for this size of keyboard. Okay, now let's do the most interesting part of any mechanical keyboard review. Let's do a sound test. Okay, you heard the sound. Sound is perfect, really perfect. Like a cream with cheese, very soft, but from other side very firm, right? So the sound is perfect because of the structure of the keyboard. Gasket mounted structure with all possible layers of sound dampening or removal of the vibration, and even this switch pad helps a lot, right? Together with the flex cut of the switch plate. So if you're looking for the very standard 75%, I mean from the good point of view it's a standard layout, with this option to switch between knob or additional key, right? With a three-way of connection with wireless, Bluetooth or cable, right? This is a perfect choice. And taking into account a budget of this keyboard, you need to check your location, because from region to region price can vary, but this is much less than $80. And for this money, to get the keyboard from known brand with all these functions, with given structure, with a PBT double shot keycaps and linear switches, I believe this will be a hidden gem, or maybe not really hidden. Thank you for watching. I hope this review was interesting and useful for you. Please leave all your comments or questions in the comment section under the video. If you like this video, do not forget to press a like button and subscribe to my channel. to not miss my future videos. And if you want to support my channel, please join membership. Link will be in the description under this video. And in this way, you really help me to continue to produce all these reviews for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.